Hello, my name is Jay, and I am here to react to GFriend Summer Rain. This is a repackage from their last comeback, which was really good. So let's see what they have for us this go round. Like, their dancing is like always on point. Like, what one down about GFriend is like most of their songs sound the same, or like they have like a similar feel to them. I think this kind of goes back to kind of what I mentioned before. It was just kind of like they kind of play around with the same sound a lot, which is okay, but for me, I don't know, it's like a bit repetitive. And the problem is, the girls are great. It's just what they're given. The song isn't bad. Like, the song isn't bad. I just wish they would come with something a little bit different to kind of set themselves apart. Like, I get the whole play on like innocence and things, like something that kind of draw you into it. But I feel like they did that last year, and I really want to see something different. Like, nothing extreme, but just like, I don't know, something a little different from them. Like, Fingertip was a really good, well, I really like Fingertip from them. But since then, I kind of went back to kind of what they were doing before. So I hope to see something different from them coming up. And this is probably part of a repackage, so it'll probably fit the theme of the last album. So, yeah. Next time, I guess.